Hello everyone, this is Speedle Workshop 3, Docker integration. In this session, I'll show you how to create a Docker authorization plugin to use Speedle for managing user access to Docker. This is the content we are going to cover today. Objectives. In this section, we will create a Docker authorization plugin with Speedle, configure the Docker daemon to use that plugin, and we'll create some Speedle policies to manage users' access to Docker daemon. Before you begin, we expect that you have installed Golang, Speedle repo has been cloned, and Docker is installed on your system. Besides this, you should better learn about the basic knowledge of Speedle. Docker is a tool to create, deploy, and run applications by using containers. Its out-of-the-box authorization model is all or nothing, so a Docker administrator has to use authorization plugin to configure granular access policies for managing access to Docker daemon. In addition to some standard methods, authorization plugin is required to implement these two methods. The first method is called before daemon process the client request, and the second one is called before the response is returned from Docker daemon to the client. These are the two scenarios for the authorization check. This one is a allow scenario, and this one is a deny scenario. And this is a part that auth is called. The first method is called, and this is the part that the second method is called. And here you can select to implement to do the authorization check in either in these two methods. And this one is where the auth is called the first method. Implementation of the plugin with Speedle. Here, these two diagrams shows where our Speedle is called, and the first one is the allow scenario, and the second one the deny scenario. We can see the plugin make a request to Speedle and get the authorization check result from Speedle, then it will give that result back to daemon. Take a look at the source code of the plugin. Under Speedle repo, samples, integration, Docker integration path, you can find the source code of the plugin. These are the two methods that we mentioned. In this demo, we implemented them all the same. Per your request, you can change differently. One thing I want to mention is that our method uses Speedle client to make ADS request. This client is a Golang client to simplify ADS request. The source code of ADS client also under this samples directory. You can go and take a look at them. Okay. Before we show how the plugin works, we have to check what argument it can accept. From the usage, we can see that it accepts Speedle host and the service name as the argument. Speedle host is the host where the Speedle server is running, and service name is the service that we will use in Speedle to manage all the policies. Here, I have logged on one of my Linux box, and I am under the in Docker integration directory. Let's build the plugin. Okay, plugin is built. Then we start Speedle. Okay, ADS is ready. PMS is ready. Okay, Speedle is running. Let's start the plugin. Under the Docker integration path, the README gives good steps that you can follow to start the um, plugin. Okay, we have started the Speedo Docker plugin. This is another logon about the Linux box. Let's check whether the Docker daemon is running. It's inactive, so we have to start the daemon first. Start the daemon. Okay, this is the command to start Docker daemon with the plugin that we just started. Okay, Docker daemon is running, then we can check what the active container. This is another logon of that Linux box. You can use Docker PS to list all containers. Okay, we can see that our requests have been denied. From the daemon console, we can see the rest method gives the deny message. And from the plugin console, we can see that this allowed result is denied, and the reason is service not found. Let's create the service for this Docker plugin. Okay, we created this Docker service. And let's create the. This is a policy that allows us to do the Docker PS command. Okay, we are set. Let's try command again. Okay, you can see that it gives the result. So if the container is 0. Let's do a small exercise. As you can see that we create a policy to let Docker PS command works. Do you know how to create a new policy to make it deny again? One tip is deny. Okay, the answer is create a new deny policy. This works because Speedle uses deny overall strategy for authorization evaluation. Let's see what policies we already have. spctl get service docker. Okay, this is a policy that we allow root user to do the list request. The list container request is a kind of get request. So we can create a deny policy for this get action. Okay. Okay, we have already created the root deny policy. Let's take a look. Okay. As you can see, that our list container request has been denied again. Okay, this is the end of this session. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.